And out of business, ahead of the long Christmas holidays, the Nigerian exchange closed positive as a bull ruled over the bear during the trading week that ended on 23rd December 2022. The NGX ASI market capitalization appreciated by 0.79% to close the week at 49,706.09 trillion respectively. Now, similarly, all other indices finished higher except for the NGX ASEB and NGX sovereign bond indices, which closed flat. Joining me now on News Central to discuss this is Aziz Lawal, the Managing Director, Trust Bank Asset Management Limited. Thank you, Aziz, for always joining us, and compliments of a season. All right, Aziz, let's go into it. Now, the Nigerian exchange ended last week on a bullish note. What would you say was the causative factor?
Yeah, what we've seen from the equity markets in the last 2 months, it's been fueled by liquidity. By liquidity, I mean availability of money to trade for portfolio managers. The financial system has been very liquid recently. Last week alone, the liquidity market traded well over 300 billion on average on a daily basis. It closed on Friday at well over 600 billion. And that has driven interest in equity market, because typically this liquidity shifts the fixed income market, but this money finds a way to filter itself into the equity market. Specifically, post MPR, after the last MPR, we have also seen renewed interest in banking stocks, and that has persisted. What we've seen is that investors taking position in banking stocks in anticipation of growth in earnings arising from increasing MPR, and of course the corresponding possible increase in interest income as well. And that has driven the banking index consistently. Also, we have seen renewed interest in some large cap tickers as well, and that has continued to drive the market also. So that was what also played out last week. Basically, consistent, persistent, and renewed interest in interesting market tickers. Thank you.
Well, Aziz, the year is basically ended now. How would you rate the exchange, throughout the year?
Yeah, throughout the year, Nigeria's equity market presently is one of the best performers globally. It's over 15%. It's performing over 15%. It's performing over 15%. Currently, we know that all indices across the US is down, is negative. In Africa, significantly, a lot of markets are also down. So as far as performance is concerned, we have seen that despite the non-presence of foreign investors, we have seen local investors take control of the market to sustain a positive performance. Thank you.
Managing Director, Trust Bank Asset Management Limited, Aziz Lawal, thank you so much for joining me on the news.